툭 던지듯 떨어지는 그의 기억들 난 또 멈춰서서 하나 둘 짚어보네 우리
It's a rainy day today. It's gonna rain for the whole day. Do you hear that? It smells so good. Johan just came through with some bread and now he's making some coffee.
함께 한 시간들은
Johan brought that from Paris
이제서야
again.
애틋하게 조금 슬프게 떠올라요 사라져요
It's a rule. You have to eat the middle bit last.
Really?
Yeah. It's the rule.
Oh, did you make it up?
No.
I'm usually not a fan of blueberry.
Mango?
Yeah, but it's pretty good.
Thank you.
Oh shit! Some sparkling.
사라져요 흘러가요
Straight things as you headed out into the rain. Whoa, it's raining so much! Yay, yay, yay!
doesn't tell me I'll never figure out
동대문 on a rainy day.
how to be free when you look at me hoping to find me right in this lonely way 'cause it's true you drift away and
Come here.
this is true. How am I? You drift away. Don't you drift away. Don't you drift away. Oh, how am I used to you?
Back into the world we go. That was beautiful. It felt like we were in the world of Life of Pi. You know what I mean? Oh, they have an umbrella cup.
Oh, sweet. You just chuck it in there. Okay.
Oh, maybe I need to buy a spot. Oh, here. I think you just take this key.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Thing?
Oh, maybe you have to leave it in.
Oh,
Oh, that's genius.
Korea is cool.
That is brilliant. Wow.
Okay, let's go.
Spot.
Museum number 2. We're at SeMA, Seoul Museum of Modern Art. This is what a kid's room looked like in the 1980s. Whoa! They even got the little stationaries there. This is where I live. Over here, right?
You see it? This is the station.
Over there? That thing?
Yeah, that's how the station.
Whoa, that's crazy.